Welcome back to our channel. Black Friday is here, and so are the deals of the year. From cutting-edge gadgets to must-have home essentials, I got the ultimate list of the top 34 best Black Friday tech deals you can't afford to miss in 2024. Let's dive in. I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation now at an unbeatable price. These are the earbuds everyone wants. Perfect sound and seamless connection, now at a jaw-dropping discount. Samsung 55-inch The Frame Smart TV, a stunning display that doubles as art on your wall. A TV that doubles as art for your living room. Apple 10th Gen iPad, perfect for work, play, and everything in between. Your everyday companion for work, study, or entertainment. Dyson V12 Detect Vacuum. The Dyson V12 Detect isn't just a vacuum. It's a cleaning revolution. Equipped with laser technology, it literally lets you see the dirt you're about to eliminate. It's perfect for carpets, hardwood floors, and even tight spaces. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile powerhouse that combines 7 essential cooking functions into one sleek appliance. Whether you're baking, broiling, toasting, or air frying, this kitchen marvel delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. Easily adjust the temperature, time, and cooking mode with intuitive dials. The 60-minute timer ensures your food is cooked to perfection. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or prepping quick meals for your family, this appliance delivers consistent results with ease. It's the ideal companion for anyone who loves cooking or simply loves eating great food. Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Immerse yourself in a world of crystal-clear sound with the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Engineered for superior performance, these earbuds redefine how you experience music, calls, and everything in between. Block out the world and dive into pure audio bliss. The enhanced ANC is twice as effective, letting you focus on what matters. These earbuds are perfect for audiophiles, busy professionals, or anyone who values seamless audio and premium features. The Apple Watch SE combines powerful performance, sleek design, and essential features at an unbeatable value. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals, staying connected, or managing your daily routine, the Apple Watch SE is the ultimate smartwatch for your lifestyle. The Apple Watch SE is swim-proof and can handle depths of up to 50 meters, making it perfect for pool days or outdoor adventures. Redefining lightweight computing, the Apple MacBook Air M3 13-inch is the ultimate blend of performance, style, and efficiency. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, this MacBook delivers unmatched power in a sleek and portable design. With up to 18 hours of battery life, you can work, stream, and create without constantly searching for an outlet. Upgrade to the Apple MacBook Air M3 13-inch and experience unmatched performance, stunning visuals, and exceptional portability. The Apple Mac Mini M4 redefines what a desktop can do. Packed with the cutting-edge M4 chip, this sleek and compact machine delivers unmatched performance, efficiency, and versatility for professionals, creators, and home users alike. Elevate your audio experience with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Designed for audiophiles and on-the-go users alike, these earbuds offer crystal-clear sound, advanced noise cancellation, and all-day comfort in a sleek, stylish design. The Fitbit Charge 6 is the perfect companion for your fitness journey, offering advanced health tracking, improved design, and all-day comfort. Whether you're an athlete or just starting your fitness routine, the Charge 6 delivers personalized insights to help you stay motivated and achieve your goals. Keep tabs on your heart rate throughout the day with continuous PurePulse 2.0 heart rate tracking, helping you optimize workouts and monitor your overall cardiovascular health. Transform your home theater experience with the Sonos Arc soundbar. Delivering immersive, high-fidelity sound, this sleek and powerful soundbar is engineered to bring your music, movies, and TV shows to life with rich, clear audio and deep bass. Whether you're watching your favorite film or listening to your favorite playlist, the Sonos Arc will make every moment feel cinematic. Take your movie nights, presentations, and gaming sessions to the next level with the Ultimia 5G Wi-Fi, portable projector. Compact yet powerful, this projector delivers stunning visuals and crisp audio, all while offering the convenience of portability and wireless connectivity. Whether at home, outdoors, or on the go, the Ultimia projector brings the big screen experience wherever you are. Transform your home into a smart, energy-efficient haven with a Nest Learning Thermostat. This sleek, stylish device learns your preferences over time and adjusts the temperature automatically for maximum comfort and savings. With easy remote control via the Nest app, you can adjust your home's climate from anywhere. Save energy without sacrificing comfort, and enjoy effortless control with voice commands via Google Assistant or Alexa. Brighten your home with the Philips Hue Smart Bulbs 4-pack. These energy-efficient, Wi-Fi-enabled bulbs offer customizable lighting that you can control with your voice, smartphone, or through automation. Choose from millions of colors or adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Elevate your coffee experience with the Nespresso Virtuo Plus coffee and espresso machine. This sleek, easy-to-use machine delivers barista-quality coffee and espresso at the touch of a button. With its innovative Virtuo brewing technology, it reads the barcode on each coffee capsule to adjust the brewing parameters for the perfect cup every time. Cook like a pro with the Le Creuset enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Known for its exceptional heat retention and even cooking, this iconic Dutch oven is perfect for braising, roasting, baking, and simmering your favorite dishes. Unleash your gaming potential with the Logitech G502X gaming mouse. Designed for precision and speed, this high-performance mouse features Hero sensor technology with up to 25,600 dpi for ultra-accurate tracking. Upgrade your daily commute with the Samsonite Pro Slim Backpack. Crafted for professionals on the go, this sleek and stylish backpack offers ample storage with dedicated compartments for your laptop, tablet, and accessories. Embark on an epic journey in the critically acclaimed Elden Ring for PS5. Created by the legendary Hidetaka Miyazaki and George R.R. Martin, this action RPG immerses you in a vast, open world filled with rich lore, fierce battles, and stunning environments. Experience reading like never before with the Kindle Paperwhite 12th General featuring a 6.8-inch, glare-free display with 300 ppi resolution. This e-reader delivers crisp, clear text that feels just like reading paper. Unleash your creativity and productivity with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Featuring a stunning 11-inch LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, this tablet delivers vibrant visuals and fluid performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Elevate your gaming experience with the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7 wireless gaming headset. Featuring lossless 2.4 GHz wireless audio and long-lasting battery life, this headset ensures you enjoy uninterrupted sound for hours of immersive gameplay. Cook like a pro with the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This versatile countertop appliance combines the power of an air fryer with the functionality of an oven, offering 11 cooking functions, including bake, broil, roast, and air fry. With its Element IQ technology, it ensures precise temperature control and even cooking results every time. Take your fitness and wellness to the next level with the Garmin Venu 2 smartwatch. Designed for active lifestyles, this stylish smartwatch features a vibrant AMOLED display that's easy to read, even in bright sunlight. With advanced health tracking including heart rate, sleep monitoring, and stress tracking, the Venu 2 helps you stay on top of your well-being. Discover the future of mobile technology with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Packed with cutting-edge features, this flagship smartphone offers a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with vibrant colors and smooth 120Hz refresh rates for an immersive experience. Experience precision and comfort with the Logitech MX Master 3S wireless mouse. Designed for professionals and power users, this ergonomic mouse offers ultra-precise tracking with a high DPI sensor that works on virtually any surface. Power your adventures with the Anker 757 portable power station. Designed for on-the-go charging, this high-capacity power station features a massive 1229 WH battery and 1500 W output, 3000 W surge, making it perfect for powering electronics, appliances, and outdoor gear. Relieve muscle tension anytime, anywhere with the Theragun Mini 2nd Gen. This compact, portable massage gun offers powerful, deep muscle treatment in the palm of your hand. With its quiet yet effective motor, 3 adjustable speed settings, and ergonomic design, the Theragun Mini delivers targeted relief for sore muscles and tight spots. Stay connected wherever you go with the TP-Link AC750 wireless portable router. This compact, lightweight device provides high-speed internet with dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, for smooth browsing, streaming, and gaming. Perfect for travel, the AC750 allows you to share a single mobile data connection with multiple devices, creating your own personal Wi-Fi hotspot. Introducing the Kindle 2024, the ultimate e-reader for book lovers. With a stunning 6-inch glare-free display, it offers a crisp, paper-like reading experience, even in bright sunlight. The adjustable front light ensures you can read comfortably day or night. Elevate your kitchen game with the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. With its powerful 325-watt motor and 5-quart stainless steel bowl, this stand mixer handles everything from kneading dough to whipping up the fluffiest meringues. Thanks for tuning in to our Black Friday Tech Roundup. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be hunting for deals too. Let's make this Black Friday the best one yet. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing tech content. Happy shopping, and see you next time. See you in the next video.